In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage inventory in QuickBooks Online. Welcome everyone! If you're a business owner or someone handling finance operations, you know how essential it is to keep your inventory organized and up to date. Proper inventory management can spur efficiency, help you make informed decisions, and ultimately impact your bottom line. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's walk through this process together. First, we need to navigate within QuickBooks Online to access the relevant section for inventory management. To begin, you'll want to focus your attention on the left-hand side of your screen, where QuickBooks presents its main panel of options. From this panel, go ahead and click on Sales. This section is designed to give you an overview of all your sales-related activities in QuickBooks, serving as a gateway to more detailed inventory controls. Once you're within the Sales module, look towards the top of your screen for the Products and Services tab. Clicking on this will take you to an area where you have a comprehensive list of all your established products and services. It's your central hub for everything inventory related. At this juncture, you're positioned perfectly to actively manage what's in your stock. Here, you have the option to review all the items you've previously added. A well-documented list appears, allowing you to glance over all the products and services you offer. Pay attention to the details like names, descriptions, and pricing, ensuring everything listed matches your current offerings. Now, this Products and Services section isn't just for viewing. It's highly interactive and accommodates various actions that are crucial to inventory management. From this interface, you can edit existing entries. Perhaps a supplier changed the price, or there's a new version of a product. Whatever changes you need, you can make those here. If you need to expand your inventory to include new products or services, you can add fresh items seamlessly. Conversely, should you find products that are no longer viable or necessary to your lineup, removing them is just as straightforward. It's vital to regularly update your inventory records to reflect real-time changes. This habit helps in maintaining a precise inventory count, avoiding stock discrepancies, and ensuring you never face a situation where demand exceeds supply unawares. And there you have it. Managing your inventory with QuickBooks Online is that simple. By regularly visiting the Products and Services tab, you'll be well equipped to keep your inventory running smoothly and efficiently. Thanks so much for following along, and be sure to check out our other tutorials, where we delve deeper into the functionalities of QuickBooks Online.